If you want to know what the first step to get into fashion, stay tuned. Hey beautiful, it's your Jimmylee Steinfeld, JLS, your fashion designer, your guy to help your dreams come true. So what this series is going to be about is Fashion School 101. We're going to teach you how to make your dreams come true. Somebody did that for me a long time ago, put me in the right direction, and let me do the work. In other words, like, if you want your dream in fashion to come true, then you got to be able to do the work. The first class to this great series, and I want you to stay tuned for the whole show. Every week there will be something new happening, and I'm excited. Subscribe, because then you'll be updated. You know when everything is happening. And remember that it's important that your dreams come true, and I want to help you do that. The first thing is how to pinpoint your dream, what you want to do. You know you want to get into fashion, but you don't know how. Or you know you love dresses, or you know you love suits, or shoes, or ties, or belts. What I want to do is I want you to pinpoint your dream, your passion. I want to have you figure out what part of fashion you want to be in. You can't do it all. Like somebody taught me once, can't have it all. You can't do it all. So let's figure out what you're good at. And if you don't know, then you're going to start by doing start off by making t-shirts, start off by making jeans, start off by making ties and different things. Figure out what you feel like there's no limit. So in fashion, in women's, I have no limit. It's limitless. No. But what we can turn around and do is try to figure out what you're good at and then making that happen. So in fashion, the most important thing is you're passionate. You have to be passionate in what you want to do. You got to love it. I wanted to be a shoe designer. I don't like feet. Couldn't happen. I wanted to be a men's designer. Started off that way, fabulous, but it wasn't my passion. I love women. I think they're the most fantastic human beings. So I turn around and I am now a fashion designer for women. So if you need a prom dress, a wedding dress, an evening dress, a black tie dress, a short little Sex in the City kind of a dress, I'm your man. There was a guy named Basil that helped me understand what it took to make a customer happy. That's a part of getting into fashion. You're actually designing for people, so you got to figure out how to make them happy. So first step is get your dream on paper. We are going to have a great show. We're going to have a great series. I'm not going to rest until I know that you had at least an opportunity to make your dream come true. Guys, it's going to be great. I am excited. I am back. I am more than rested, so I'm ready to help you. It's been a little time off focusing on everything else. Now it's time to focus on you. Guys, stay tuned to JLS Fashion School 101. We're going to have a blast.